Let's talk about the recently launched Honor Smartphone 200 Smart with elegantly design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, 6.8 inches Full HD plus punch hole, magic capsule display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 86.8% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 389 ppi pixel density, 850 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with aluminosilicate glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 5 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.2, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 8 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.95 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4GB of extended RAM, and 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.9 by 76.8 by 8.09, or 8.24 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams, and the color options, midnight black, forest green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 35-watt super charge fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, IP64 dust and water resistant, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor 200 Smart has been priced in Europe for 4GB plus 256GB storage variant at €190. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Honor 200 Smart smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.